guys, the first is what is the main page of a website known as? And the answer is home page. Second is name the web browser developed by Google and the answer is Chrome. Third is who founded the Apple computers and the answer is Steve Jobs. Fourth is a JPG extension refers to which type of file and the answer is image. Fifth is on the internet what number is displayed indicating an error for a file not found and the answer is 404. Sixth is the Mac operating system is developed by which computer company and the answer is Apple. Seventh is what is the nucleus of a comet made of and the answer is ice and dust. Eighth is name the first satellite built by India and the answer is Aryabhatta. Ninth is where are the communication satellites placed in space and the answer is Geostationary Orbit. 10th is in which city was the United Nations created and the answer is San Francisco. 11th is how many countries attended the first United Nations General Assembly and the answer is 51. 12th is which country contributes the maximum funding of the United Nations and the answer is United States of America. 13th is which gas is usually filled in an electric bulb and the answer is nitrogen. 14th is which type of mirror is used in the headlight of cars and the answer is concave mirror. 15th is what is another name for frozen carbon dioxide and the answer is dry ice. 15th is which type of lens does a camera use to form an image and the answer is convex lens. 16th is which desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert and the answer is Thar Desert. 18th is Mars was the Roman god of what and the answer is war. 19th is how long is an adult small intestine and the answer is 22 feet. 20th is which tube moves food from the back of your throat to the stomach and the answer is esophagus. 21st is a food can spend up to this long in the small intestine and the answer is 4 hours. 22nd is the organ that releases digestive juices into the small intestine is the pancreas. 23rd is which service is called the SMS of the internet and the answer is Twitter. 24th is in which city was Twitter born and the answer is San Francisco. 25th is in which year was Facebook launched and the answer is 2004. 26th is Twitter iconic bluebird logo is named after which American sporting legend and the answer is Larry Bird. 27th is which social media platform was purchased by Facebook for $1 billion in 2012 and the answer is Instagram. 28th is who formed the Azad Hind Fauj in August 1942 and the answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. 29th is which Indian railway train has been nicknamed as toy train and the answer is Darjeeling Himalayan Railways. 30 is which mountain ranges in India are also called the Sahyadri and the answer is Western Ghats. 31 is a greenhouse gas that is causing global warming and the answer is carbon dioxide. 32 this planet has the highest mountain in the solar system and the answer is Mars. 33 the scientific study of microscopic organism is and the answer is microbiology. 34th the internal organ which produces a liquid called bile and the answer is liver. 35th the official name of Mangalyaan was Mars Orbiter Mission. That's all in this video guys. Thanks for watching.